It is not about intelligence, but rather how you approach learning English that sets smart people apart. They don't just cram for hours, trying to memorize vocabulary lists and sentence structures, but instead, they adopt a strict study routine, setting aside dedicated time each day to review and practice. This discipline is key, as consistent exposure to the language helps build a strong foundation, allowing them to grasp even the most complex concepts with ease. But what's even more interesting is that these smart learners don't just focus on the language itself, but also on understanding the culture and context behind it, recognizing that language is not just a set of rules, but a window into a new world of ideas, customs, and perspectives. By making language learning a part of their daily lives, they're able to see the connections between words, phrases, and grammar, and how they're used in real-life situations, which in turn helps them to pick up new language skills at an incredible pace. They're not afraid to make mistakes, and instead, they view them as opportunities to learn and improve, often recording themselves speaking and listening to identify areas for improvement. This self-awareness and willingness to adapt makes all the difference, as they're able to adjust their approach on the fly, trying new techniques and strategies to stay engaged and motivated. And it's this very flexibility that allows them to learn English faster, not because they're inherently smarter, but because they're more willing to put in the effort and make language learning a sustainable part of their lifestyle, which in turn opens doors to new experiences, opportunities, and perspectives that would otherwise be inaccessible.